Hi, my name's David Fern and I'm an IBM Solutions Architect working for AIX in the UK. And I'm here today to talk to you about high availability on Power AIX. IBM's current high availability option is IBM's Power HA. This requires quite a lot of extra infrastructure. We require links down to our disk subsystem, which then have to be replicated, generally at the disk controller subsystem level. This generally requires some sort of fibre channel IP emulation or replication devices, which can roll into anything to £20,000 a site. To combat the cost of this solution, Arrow have joined forces with a company called Vision Solutions. What Vision have is an agent-based replication technology to actually protect LPARs at a disk write level. So what we find is that every time an application writes any data to the disk, an agent here actually manages to trap it, replicate it over an IP link to a second site with a second agent installed here. This can then provide high availability through a second link, providing high availability replication over IP based on an LPAR by LPAR basis rather than a per core basis at the base level of the system. So what we can then do is implement management nodes on both sites. This lets us have high availability management, which gives us the capability to actually, once failed over, to be able to then reverse the replication and fail back in a very consistent and managed way. So this solution gives you the ability to protect an LPAR over two servers. Now these servers don't necessarily have to be geographically diverse. This could be actually providing high availability within a single data center, even within a single rack over two servers. But what we can do very simply by just turning on an extra functionality in this solution is actually provide a third factor replication to a third geographically diverse location. And we can do this by very simply replicating the changes that were sent to this machine on again to a third site to give, as near as we can possibly get, 100% uptime. Implementing this solution reduces the cost and complexity traditionally found in a high availability platform. If you want to know more information on this solution, please contact me at david.fern@arrowecs.co.uk. Thanks for listening.